This is a video tutorial on how to use the Mapbox maps in Cognos Analytics dashboards. In this video, I will show you how to model your data so the data is recognized as geospatial, how to use some of the key map features, and finally, how to use the Refine Regions data slot. For the Mapbox maps to work successfully, you must have your geographic data recognized as geospatial. Geospatial data has a specific icon. When uploading files, some column names such as city, country, state and zip code are automatically recognized as geospatial by the column name or data. In these instances, no further modeling is required. However, in this example, country and state have been recognized as geospatial, but county has not. To resolve this problem, the columns which aren't recognized as geospatial will need to be modeled in a data module so they are classified correctly. To create a new data module from your uploaded file, click on New, then Data Module. Click Uploaded Files and search for your uploaded file. Click Start, then drag the file to the new module. Expand the uploaded file and click on the ellipsis next to County, and then go to Properties. In the Represents drop-down box, select Geographic Location and then select Counties. In this example, I'm going to limit the data to California in my data module. This will mean my data file will contain less than 3,000 rows, which is the current data limit for maps. To do this, click the ellipsis next to State and select Filter. Click the checkbox next to California and click Apply. Now save your data module. To create a Mapbox map from this data module, click the ellipsis next to the data module and select Create Dashboard. Choose a template, then click the Visualizations icon. Drag a Mapbox map to the canvas. Click Sources. As you can see, the county data item is now shown as geospatial. Next, add county to regions and measure to region color. Close the Details pane and resize your map to fit the dashboard. So in this short example, we have successfully modelled the county column as geospatial and added it to a Mapbox map. I'm now going to show some of the new mapping features. There are a number of different palettes and styles included with the Mapbox maps. To change, click on the Properties button. Click on Colour Palette to change to a different palette. You can also click on Hide the Legend. To change the style, click on the Style drop-down. You can scroll through various different styles. To move the map around the dashboard, ensure the toggle is set to Move Widget. This toggle is now highlighted blue. To pan the map within the widget, ensure the toggle is set to Pan, and you can now pan around the map. To zoom in on an area, double-click or use your mouse scroll wheel. Alternatively, you can use the zoom button in the widget itself. As you can see here, when using the street style, you can see street name level detail, and also the navigation is fast and intuitive. The Refine Region data slot allows you to disambiguate location names, as there are many shared location names around the world. For example, the name Riverside is a very common city name in the United States, so the widget needs to know exactly which one you are using. In this dashboarding example, I've dragged city and value to the Mapbox widget. However, I am getting an ambiguous warning in the top right corner of the widget, and the data is not being mapped correctly at all. To resolve this issue, I can use the Refine Regions data slot, which allows the widget to know exactly which city and state needs to be mapped. If I now scroll through the map, you can see the correct cities have been mapped. Thank you for watching this Cognos Analytics tutorial. Please comment on this video and visit our YouTube channel for learning more about using Cognos Analytics 11.